So I'm going to show you how to attach that PDF number corner document that we had recently saved and create a student activity for it. So you're going to log into your Seesaw account. You're going to go into this plus add button, assign an activity. And you're going to create a new activity with this plus button here. So the activity name, you might call it number corner activity 1. You might type some instructions for the students. You might type the instructions and then add voice instructions over the top of that. You may add a multimedia instruction. This is where you might link to the screencast video you've made, or maybe you're going to directly upload a video into Seesaw that you make kind of on the spot there. Your choice of the instructions you want to include with that. The important thing is that this is considered, the number corner PDF that you're uploading is considered a student template. So you want to make sure that you're adding it to the student template right here for student responses. So you're going to click on this plus here. You're then going to click on the upload a file, photo, or video link here on the bottom. When you get this screen, you either can select from a computer or select from Google Drive, depending on how you chose to save that PDF document. We had done a Google Drive, so I'm going to click on that. Within here, my number corner folder pops up right at the top. If yours doesn't, you can create a number or search for your number corner downloads. And here was that one document, page 2, that we had recently uploaded and saved here. So I would click on that. This then becomes the template that the student will open up. And because it's a student template, it's actually going to create a unique blank document for each student when they open up to respond. It then gives the student the choice. They can use a text box to respond. They might use a text box to type in their responses, or actually write in their responses, but maybe they're going to do an audio recording over the top to explain their answer. It really gives them a lot of choices within this in order for them to respond directly into this document. When this is the way you want it, you just hit the green check mark in the corner. It's a little bit hard to see here. But now my activity is a title. I might have my instructions here, and then there's the student template included as well. And when you have that all, you may hit save. You can assign it immediately if you want to. I have a dummy account here, so I don't have all my students, but that might be the class I'm including. And remember that you can always schedule an assignment out. So maybe you're doing a bunch of these at once and you know the dates that these are going to be scheduled as activities, but you don't want it to appear in the student's feed immediately. You can schedule it, assign a specific date and time that you want it to go out and be available. Maybe you want it at 8 o'clock in the morning. Oops. On the 3rd of April, that's when the student is going to see it. And then you can assign on April 3rd. Oh, and it confirms the time. I want to adjust that time because so 8 a.m. Check the box. Oh, I'm going to confirm April 3rd at 8 a.m. Looks good. And it will not appear until then. So I hope that helps.